What do we have here today? FK8. This FK8 using our custom Pentagon offset rim, our Pentagon spec AP racing caliper, kit out for the track. Running on the Jace Racing front lip with a custom splitter. Jace Racing strut bar. We have the PRL intake with the race map, Titainum Tube, and then PRL Intercooler. Of course, it has the snow performance injection kit, okay, to do the kind of power on the dyno. So we are done now. What do we have here? We have this Jace Racing steering. The meters. This is the Jace Racing bonnet, carbon bonnet, and obviously this car is going to be tuned. What is it tuning with? Hondata. Okay. This car has water meth as well. Okay. Let's see. We're on the dyno.